How to add products in wishlist on Lazada. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add products on your wish list in Lazada. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Lazada on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. And as you can see right here on my Lazada homepage, if I want to add some products on my wish list, of course, I'm gonna choose something that I want to add in my wish list, and it's pretty much basic. And if you want to do it, you can just go and pick something you like. So for example, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to input this product on my wish list. So right here, as you can see on the you will see a button right here near the share button, and it's the heart button, and that is the wishlist button or the likes button. So if you click that, this product will automatically add in your wish list. And if you want to see that, you can just go to your account. So if I go back and go to my profile or my account page, as you can see right here below my name, I can see my likes, and if I click that, I will be redirected to the page where I can see all products in my wish list. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add product on your wish list in Lazada. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.